A chilled water system cools entire buildings, from luxury hotels to massive tech parks. But here's the question, how does it really work? Let's break it down, step by step. Chillers produce the chilled water. Pumps keep it moving. AHUs or FCUs use that chilled water to cool the air. And finally, cooling towers carry the heat away. It's a powerful chain, working together to keep buildings cool and comfortable. It's a closed loop, chilled water flows in, absorbs heat from the air, and heads back to the chiller to cool down again. Efficient. Reliable. Controlled. That's the beauty of the system. At HEGSDC, we train you to understand, install, and commission chilled water systems, step by step, the right way. Graduation caps start learning today. Mobile phone with Arrow, visit www.hegsdc.com. Locked with key, register now on the LMS Portal. Briefcase perfect for ITI, Diploma, and Engineering students ready to grow their HVAC career.